In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your Lightroom account quickly and easily using two simple methods. Whether you want to use the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app or sign in through your browser on the Adobe website, I'll walk you through the steps so you can get into your account without any confusion. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, let's look at method 1, which is the recommended way using Adobe Creative Cloud. Open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. If you're not signed in already, you'll see a sign in button. Click that button to begin. Next, enter your Adobe ID, which is the email address and password linked to your Adobe account. Once you've entered your details, sign in and wait for your account to load. After that, you can open Adobe Lightroom or Adobe Lightroom Classic directly from Creative Cloud. This is the easiest method if you plan to use Lightroom regularly because everything stays connected through your Adobe apps. Now, let's move on to method 2, which is signing in through a browser using the Adobe website. Open your web browser and go to account.adobe.com. On the page, click Sign In. Then enter your Adobe ID again with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Adobe account dashboard where you can manage your plan, account details, and connected products. This method is great if you just want to access your Adobe account online or check your subscription information. So, to quickly recap, if you want the smoothest experience, use Creative Cloud to sign in and launch Lightroom. If you prefer the web, use the Adobe website and sign in from your browser. And that's it. You now know how to sign in to your Lightroom account using both methods. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.